let me crack your back for you here, but don't actually do this, okay? Some of you I know are doing this, okay? It's wrong. Sometimes you're like, oh, it feels good if a friend comes, cracks my back, a family member, okay? It's just temporary relief. The noise, okay, we like it, everything, but it's not actually the foundational distortion that needs to get corrected, okay? It's everything above and below that area. As a foundational chiropractor, we need to see that x-ray, because if we have any curves, we need to pay attention to that and not make those any worse.